I'm Mike. Welcome to my Waffle Square, where I obsess about things and you get to benefit from it. In this video, we're going to be changing out these worn old ear cushions for these Parrot Zik 2 headphones with brand new ones. This also works for Parrot Zik 3. So let's get started. Alright, let's get right into it. First of all, if you find this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps the YouTube algorithm to suggest it to other people. So I'm going to talk later in the video where I found these cushions and give you some tips on getting them yourself. Let's move these old ones out of the way and do a little unboxing here and see just what comes in the packaging. Alright, it looks like it is the exact cushions and the cushions only. Nothing else, no instructions. Alright, so if you notice here, there's only one cushion that has the electronics package built into it. And if I turn that over, it's the one that has the sensors for your ears, and also when you're wearing them, that's the same one that you touch and turn on the volume and all that. So the first step is to get in here and find this little connection and disconnect that so that we can remove the cushion. And as I pull this back, we can see it right there. And that comes off really easy just with my fingernail. Next, we want to go around and gently pry off the ear pad. So we'll get in here and we'll just start gently prying that up. You can feel some adhesive giving away. Hear it kind of peeling away. There we go. Yeah. All right, so there's the old cushion removed, and you can see here there's a new strip of adhesive for when we put this one back on. Now, if I didn't already mention it, we want to take the battery out when we're working on it so it's not coming on and off as we're tapping on the power button. All right, same thing with the other side. Now, one thing to keep note when we work on the side without the electronics is that because this is the battery pack side, this is just held on by magnets, and we're not going to be able to use that as a spot to pry because that just pops right off. So instead, if you look here, you can see that these spots here might be good avenues for getting in there to pry. So let's get right in between these two spots and gently try to pry it away from that adhesive. Actually, these little guys are barely on there. I think we want to be careful prying on those too much. I can feel this one giving away a little bit. Maybe we can try over here on the headphone, the rail. All right, that prying wasn't working very good, but if I get my thumb down in here and then just kind of gently pull up, I'm having much better luck at removing that adhesive. And there we go. It'll be nice to have this one gone and out of our hair. All right, before we put on our new ear cushions, I'm just going to take a moment with this Q-tip and a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and just degrease this area to get any grime that might be in there so we get a better adhesion. All right, we'll let that dry for a minute. And that's pretty good. So this one's gonna go right here. You can see, let's check that fit. It's gonna be really good. So let's peel off this adhesive backing here. Very gently, all right. And here we go. Goes on real easy. Gonna press that into place all the way around. Now this one's going to be a little trickier because we have this connection to make. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is take the adhesive back off. Then I'm going to pull back this little screen and make that connection. Right like that. And now we can fit this cushion right into place. All right, button this back up and we can give it a test. Put our battery in and get our little magnetic cover on. Now if you look here, you can see this is more of like a bone than an actual white color, at least with the pair I have. See that slight color tone difference. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it is a difference in color. All right, let's give them a try. Oh yeah, it's sounding good. So I've had these headphones for a long time. I really like their noise canceling capabilities. I use them as shop headphones or when I'm working with louder power tools. They may not be rated for that, but it works great for me. So when it came time to replace these ear cushions, I first went naturally to the Parrot website. They have drones and headphones and all sorts of other products on there. And when I clicked on either the Parrot Zik 2 or 3, I found the cushions and spare batteries and things like that, but there was no ability to click, put it in my shopping cart and actually order it off their website. So I contacted customer support and I received this email stating that basically they don't sell their products in the United States and that I would have to find alternative means such as Amazon or some other supplier. I found that amazing that this company does not support their products in this country. Anyway, I went to Amazon and I found brown ear cushions. So if you have the brown ones, you're in luck there. But no white or ivory as they came to be known. So then I went over to eBay and there are a lot of choices there. I think you'll find what you're looking for on eBay. You just have to be really careful because the $35 ones that I first located here, if you read down in the description, they have a YouTube video that I'll link on how to replace those. But once you start getting into that YouTube video, you find that they're not a complete replacement for the ear cushions. You do have to take out all of the internal electronic components and replace them. And when I watched that video, it looked like a whole lot of work. So instead, for about $20 more, I found genuine OEM Parrot Zik ear cushions in ivory and ordered them for $56. And that was from a company that shipped them from the UK. So it took a while to get here, be prepared for that. But as you could see, they were the originals, they fit great, and they were much easier than peeling back all of the old ear muffs to take out all of the electronics. Just be cautious what you pay for on eBay. All right, if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? Also, I'll leave a link to some eBay sites as well as Amazon and let you peruse through those. Until next time, thank you for watching.